Alright, here is a skywalk in Chedi at Hatyai. This place was out of this world. Since Hatyai located close to Malaysia, many Malaysian tourists came to this place. You can come here and enjoy the view and nature, and you can even do the camping here. It's a very beautiful place. The next destination was this beautiful lake. Then we've been to boiling natural water, which was amazing. What I love about this village near to Hatyai city was it wasn't so crowded like many touristic places in Thailand, and the nature was amazing. Then we went to the beach side, and of course my favorite, Songkhla Old Town. This beautiful old town reminds me Phuket Old Town, kinda similar, but it's not as crowded as Phuket. That's what I love about it. We also visited the art museum or art center in Songkhla.
Switching board, this is industrial art.
Many great cafe and bars that tourists can hang and enjoy their good coffee, and at night you can enjoy the bars with beers and stuff. It was a lovely old town. We finished our trip by visiting Old Bazaar in the town, and that was it. If you like my video, please subscribe to see more on my trips.